Today I'm going to show you how to check your TikTok account history, all important changes, logins from different devices, and other key information that can help you better control your account and stay safe. If you want to know everything that has happened on your account, watch this video until the end. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new videos. So, at the very beginning, open your TikTok app and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in TikTok, the next step is to tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. When you're on your profile page, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then in the menu that appears, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down in this section and find the option called Activity Center. Tap on it. Here you'll see a bunch of options. Find the one called Account History and tap on it. In this section, you can see all the important activities and changes that have happened on your TikTok account. You'll get information about when you logged in from different devices, what changes were made to your account, and other important details that help you keep track of what's going on with your profile and stay safe. And that's everything for this video, friends. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.